Hey there, food lovers! Get ready for a trip around the globe, no passport needed. We're diving deep into two of the most celebrated culinary capitals, France and Japan. Two countries, thousands of miles apart, yet united by a shared passion for food. Buckle up, it's going to be delicious. In France, food isn't just fuel, it's practically a religion. Family and friends gather for long, leisurely meals. Conversations flow as freely as the wine. Fresh, seasonal ingredients are treated with respect, transformed into dishes that are both rustic and elegant. The French take immense pride in their culinary heritage, passing down recipes through generations. It's a tradition that's as much about preserving their culture as it is about enjoying incredible flavors. Let's talk iconic dishes. A crusty baguette still warm from the oven is a must. Dip it in creamy brie cheese or a rich onion soup for a true taste of France. No culinary journey through France would be complete without experiencing a classic like boeuf bourguignon. This hearty stew, simmered in red wine with tender beef and vegetables, is comfort food at its finest. And of course, we can't forget the pastries. From delicate macarons to flaky croissants, French patisserie is an art form in itself. In Provence, bouillabaisse is a seafood lover's dream, brimming with fresh fish and aromatic herbs. Head to the southwest and you'll find cassoulet, a rich, slow-cooked casserole of beans and meat. And from the Loire Valley, the upside-down caramelized apple tart known as tarte tatin is a sweet delight. Now, let's hop over to Japan, a land where food is elevated to an art form. Presentation is everything. Each ingredient is carefully placed, colors and textures harmonizing on the plate. Japanese cuisine is all about balance, a delicate dance of flavors, textures, and temperatures. Every bite is a sensory experience, a celebration of freshness and seasonality. Sushi, with its perfect slices of fresh fish draped over vinegared rice, needs no introduction. It's a testament to Japanese precision and artistry, but there's so much more to discover. Slurp down a steaming bowl of ramen, the rich broth infused with layers of flavor, savor the delicate taste of perfectly cooked tempura, seafood and vegetables lightly battered and fried, and don't miss out on the world of yakitori, skewered meats grilled over charcoal for a smoky, savory flavor. Head to Osaka for okonomiyaki, a savory pancake filled with a variety of ingredients and topped with a rich sauce and bonito flakes. In Kyoto, experience kaiseki, a multi-course meal that showcases seasonal ingredients and meticulous presentation. And in Shizuoka, indulge in unagi, grilled eel served over rice, known for its tender texture and savory glaze. While France and Japan may seem worlds apart, their cuisines share some surprising similarities. Both cultures value fresh, high-quality ingredients. Both have a deep respect for tradition and culinary techniques passed down through generations. But there are also distinct differences. French cuisine tends to be richer and heavier, while Japanese food focuses on lightness and balance. French meals are often multi-course affairs, while Japanese dining is more about smaller plates meant to be shared. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the fascinating and delicious worlds of French and Japanese cuisine. Both offer a unique and unforgettable culinary adventure. What are you waiting for? Get out there and explore the world, one bite at a time. And hey, if you enjoyed this culinary journey, hit that like button and subscribe for more food adventures. Until next time, bon appetit and itadakimasu.